Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to install and play Taken 3 in Galaxy Videos. For this you need 5 files. These are the files I will show you. It was in a folder Taken 3, as you can see here. Taken 3. Now these are the files. The first file is FPSC. The second one is scph1001.bin. The third one is slot1.mcd. The fourth one is slot2.mcd. And the fifth one is taken3.bin, the game. Now let's start. First of all, install the FPSC APK file. Here it is. Press install. Now it's installing. Here you can see it is installed now. Now open. Now select yes. Now select OK. Now press the menu button first. Here it is. Now go to settings. The first option, settings. Here you can see the icon like this. Now you can see there is a many option. Now go to settings. Now here you can see the BIOS loading scph1001.bin, the first option. Click on it. Now go to the last fourth option, SD card. Now go to that folder Taken 3 that we have made it. Here it is. As you can see that there is a file scph1001.bin. Select it. Now it gets selected. Now go below. Here you can see the HLE mode. Change applied on restart. HLE mode. Click on it. Means uncheck it. Here you can see I have unchecked it. Now go to memory card 1. Memory card 1. Now go to SD card again. Here it is. Now find the Taken 3 folder. Here it is. Now select the slot1.mcd. Now go to memory card second. Now again select SD card. Now again go to Taken 3 folder. Here it is. Now go to slot2.mcd. Slot2.mcd. These are the memory cards that I have made it for you. It contains all the settings and perfect paths that made you help to play the game in Galaxy Y. So don't worry about anything, just play easily. Now go to default configure, save as default configure. Select it. As you can see, default configure saved. Now go to back. Now go again back. Now as you can see here, this is the folder. Now go to here. This is not visible at time, but here you can see return. Select ISO.load to load. Select ISO to load. Now again go to SD card. Find out the folder of Taken 3. Here it is. Now select the taken3.bin. Here you can see the Taken3 is started now. It contains all the graphics, but there is a problem here. It doesn't contain all the buttons here, and when we move it, you can see all the buttons. This is the problem, so we have to sort out it. Now just go to menu button and select settings. Here it is, settings. Now go to input, the fourth option. Now go to touch screen and select the first one is transparency. Disabled it. Here you can see disabled it. Okay, now just go below and you can see that there are many buttons which are unchecked. Check them till 5, button 2, button 3, button 4 and button 5. Now press back, again back. Now go to video. Now uncheck the first option, frame limiter. Unset if you want to boost. Uncheck it. Now go to frame skip and select no frame skip. Now click on frame skip fix. Useful for some games. It is useful for every game. Now go below. You can see here predefined screen size. Select it. Now go to full screen, the first option. Now again go below and see the screen orientation. Go to auto. It is useful if you want to play in landscape or portrait. Now go back. Now again go back. Now here you can see this save button. We have to save it to don't do the old steps again when we play next time. So click on it. Now here you can see the slots. Select any one that you want. I am selecting slot 1. Here you can see this gets saved. Now cancel. Now here you can see where it contains all the buttons right here. Now this is the Taken3. You can select any of the player. In my memory card slot I have opened all the players, so you don't have to worry about the players. It contains all the players like Gone, Brian, Dr. B, Gunjak and many more. So just easily play with them and make your high scores. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it. If you like the video, just subscribe it. Thank you.